Welcome to Wolver channel. Today I'll show you how to deploy a tax token on Base Chain in under 5 minutes. This contract takes a 5% fee on every trade and sends it straight to your wallet. Best part? It works on any EVM chain, Ethereum, BSC, Arbitrum, you name it. Step 1. Setting up Remix. Go to remix.eth, create a new file. Name it taxtoken.sol, paste the contract code. If you need the smart contract, I sell it. I have all different networks. Contracts DM me on Telegram is in the description down. Compile, Solidity 0.8.0 plus. This contract has a 5% tax hard-coded, but you can change it. The fee goes to your wallet. No one can disable it. Step 2. Deploying on Base Chain. Connect MetaMask to Base Chain. In Remix, select Injected Provider, MetaMask. Enter constructor args, token name token, symbol total supply, e.g. 1 million tokens. Your wallet where tax fees go, 500, 5% tax equals 500 basis points. DEX router address. Click deploy. Boom! Your tax token is live on Base. Every time someone buys or sells, you get 5% automatically. You need the contract, reach me on Telegram. My Telegram is on the description down.